Happy morning children, welcome you all to Shaper Group online class. Today I am going to teach you loud subject mathematics. Come on children, let's begin our class. Students, today I am going to teach you the lesson patterns. Patterns in shapes and numbers. What is a pattern, students? A pattern is formed when a set of shapes, numbers or designs are repeated over and over again. I am repeating again children. Pattern is formed when a set of shapes, numbers or design are repeated over and over again. For example, kaleidoscope. It is an ancient Greek word which means observing the beautiful form. Do you all see a kaleidoscope? It is like a tube consisting of mirrors and a piece of colored papers and glasses whose reflection produce changing patterns with a beautiful form. If you rotate the tube, the beautiful forms you can see. So this kaleidoscope is a good example for patterns in shapes. Students, where we can find patterns? We can find patterns everything. Do you observe any day or every day your mom wear a beautiful saree, right? In that saree a beautiful designs are formed. It is also a pattern. It is a design pattern. In your home you are having a floor tiles. It is also a kind of patterns. Do you see a flowers? In a flowers the petals are pattern. So we can observe many patterns around us. For example, do you like play chessboard? Yes, everyone like to play chessboard. So in a chessboard, the checkers black and white is also a pattern. Now children, I am having a bowl. Did you able to observe the pattern here? What pattern is this? It is an yellow and violet pattern which was striped. Did you able to see children? Yes. So in a rangoli, our mom used to put rangoli na. It is also a kind of pattern. So we observe patterns everywhere around us. So how to identify the patterns in a sequence of shapes? So what are the shapes you know children? Yes, square, rectangle, triangle, rhombus, ellipse, then and more shapes, circle, we have more shapes. So we have to, in this exercise, we have to observe the shapes given here and then we are going to write the answer. So identifying the patterns in a sequence of shapes. Come on children, let me explain you. So observe the first one, square, rectangle, triangle. Again the shapes are repeated, square, rectangle, triangle. And guess now what will be the answer children? Yes, you are right. It is square, rectangle and triangle. So you can observe that the set of shapes are repeated over and over again. Okay children, now let me do the second one. So square followed by one circle, square followed by two circle. Here the patterns are growing. So in the third answer, what will be the answer children in the third dash? Square followed by three circles. It is a growing pattern in a shapes. Next one, third one, rhombus, ellipse, square. Again the shapes are repeating, rhombus, ellipse and square. What will be the answer dears? Come on, let me know. Yes, you are right. Rhombus, oval and then square. Clear children? Now fourth one, observe the pattern children. Semicircle, circle, hexagon. Again the shapes are repeating, semicircle, circle, hexagon. What will be the answer, children? Semicircle, circle and hexagon. The patterns are repeating. Now fifth one, can you able to guess? The inverted triangle and two squares. Inverted triangle followed by two squares. Three inverted triangles followed by three squares. Then what will be the answer, children? Here there are two squares and two inverted triangles. Here three triangles and three squares. What will be the answer, children? Yes, your guess is right. Four inverted triangles followed by four squares. So it is a growing pattern. Now we move on to the next topic. Identify the patterns in the sequence of numbers. Here in the sequence of shapes we identify. Now we are going to identify the patterns in a sequence of numbers. So first one, look at the pattern, children. 200, 400, 600. I am repeating again. 200, 400, 600. What you guess is, children? Yes, you are right. There are 200 difference between first number and the second number. So we can write 200, 400, 600. Now 600 plus 200, 800. Now 800 plus 200, 1000. Now 1000 plus 200, 1200. Clear, children? Now let me explain you the second one. 125, 150, 175. 125, 150, 175. What your guess, children? Yes, it is a growing pattern. The first number and the second number difference is 25. They are adding plus 25 to these numbers. So 125 plus 25, 150. 150 plus 25, 175. Now 175 plus 25, what will be the answer? Is 200. Plus 25, 225. Again plus 25, 250. In this pattern they have used addition 25 to identify the patterns in a sequence of numbers. Now let me explain you the third sum. See sum 90, 180, 270. 90, 180, 270. What will be the answer, children? Yes, you can observe that these are increasing by 9 plus 9. So plus 9 we can observe plus 90. So 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 90, 270. Now 270 plus 90, 360. 360 plus 90, 450. 450 plus 90, 540. Here the numbers are increasing by, growing by 90 plus 90. Now observe this one, children. 100, 400, 700. 100, 400, 700. What is your guess, children? Do you see any difference? Yes, there is a sum. There is a sum of plus 300. If you find the sum 100 plus 300, what will be the answer? 1 plus 3, 4. Again they are adding 300. So 4 plus 3, 7. 700. Clear, children? Now add 700 plus 300. What will be the answer? First put 2 zeros. 7 plus 3, 10. Again plus 300. So 10 plus 3, 13. plus again 300, put 2 zeros, plus 300, 1600. Clear? So I have explained you how to identify the patterns in the sequence of shapes and in sequence of numbers. Students, now we are going to complete the following sequence. So it is nothing but you are going to multiply the number and we are going to fill these boxes, that is. Okay children, now 2 into 100. First multiply the numbers children, so it will be easier for you to write the answers. So 2 2s are 4 and again add these 2 zeros. That's it. You observe this children. Now 3 2s are 6 and again add these 2 zeros. Clear children? 4 2s are 8 0. Now tell me children, what will be the answer for 5 into 200? 5 2s are 10. What you have to do children? Next thing, you have to add 2 zeros to their 10. So 2 into 200, 400, 3 into 200, 600, 4 into 200, 800, 5 into 200, 1000. Next move on to another example sum. So here they have a given number 3. So what the tables will be? 3. So first we have to multiply 3 3s are 9, add 0. Clear? 3 6 are 18, add 0. 3 2s are 6, add 2 zeros. 3 5s are, what will be the answer? 3 5s are, yes you are right, 15, add 2 zeros. Clear children? Now here are some sequence of pattern. So observe carefully children. 9 into 111, what's the answer? 999. 9 into 222, 1998. 9 into 333, 2997. Now guess what will be the answer for 9 to 444. What will be the answer? Any guesses? You have to multiply and say, right? So I give an easy method. Okay children, do you observe? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. So here the numbers are splitted and written. Clear? So now 9 fours are 36. But thus 2 9s are common. So write in the middle. Clear children? Again 9 5s are 45. You have to split the number 4 here and 5 here. Again write 9 9 in the middle. You get the answer. This is a sequence of pattern in numbers. 9 6 are 54. So 5 here and 4 here. What we have to do children? We have to write 9 9 in the middle. Now guess me and tell. 9 7s are. What's the answer? I hope you understand. Yes, tell me. Yeah, you are right. It is 63, 6 here and 3 here, 9 9 in the middle. Clear children? These are the complete the following sequence in your patterns lesson. Dear children, today class we have learned the lesson patterns. So you all understand the concept of patterns. What is a pattern? Where we can find patterns and identify the patterns in numbers and shapes. Hope you all understand the concept clearly. Meet you in the next class dear. Until then, bye.